Testing. Good. What's up, Lucas? I hit this trade last night. A rare Forex trade I took last night. Because of the scanner. Because of the scanner, I found a really good setup. It's right here. What the hell was it? Yeah, there was some bullish divergence on this Kangaroo Tail on GBP AUD. It was on its own, so I took it. And it hit profit middle of the night. Hey, what's up, Paul? Good morning, Kangaroo. Look at US30 earlier. See where we could go. Run a zone. Gonna make these zones. Price does go up there a little bit. Like right there. Hey, what's going on, Moose? Yep, Ganja, we're up. I'm up earlier because we made $337 last night on this rare GBP AUD setup. I had the scanner up on all of the Forex pairs last night before I went to bed. I'm telling you, this fucking Kangaroo scanner makes it so easy to trade anything. So we'll be looking at the scanner. Oops. Well, I'll trade them with the scanner. The scanner, I can see anything that has a Kangaroo Tail on the fly. We have our indices scanner right here. We have our stock scanner. We have our first Forex pairs. We have our second Forex pairs. I gotta get gold out of there. Wait, did S&P close as a S&P closed as a daily Kangaroo Tail yesterday? NASDAQ. This is interesting on NASDAQ daily. Good morning, good life. Pretties, you said you're in Euro NZD buys? I don't see any kangaroos on Euro NZD. Let's look at this daily NASDAQ though. Are we gonna have a big move today up? First zone to hit would be that. Second zone will be this top, obviously. Yeah, Cardi's, but on what time frame? You bought on the 15-minute? Oh, it's too late for me to even buy that. I'm gonna take that chart down. I don't want too many pairs up. Only the scanner. $34,567. Okay. Those are my zones for US30. So now I get to do the open price. Ugh. That makes me feel gross looking at that one. I got up a little late yesterday. As soon as I turned the chart on, it printed. I wasn't ready to enter a trade. And I got sick to my stomach. 29. Mark that open price. We might be going there. Let's see. Way up there. NASDAQ 15-minute has a bearish kangaroo. But that's not a good kangaroo to buy. It's not above the zone. We do have this area of interest. Hey, good morning, Drew. Good morning, Yucca Player. Interesting. Here's where we are on NASDAQ hourly. We're back at this resistance. NASDAQ. I think NASDAQ's gonna be dropping today. And fall back down here. 13,640. $13,640. Alright, so here's the two hourly zones. I think NASDAQ, I mean, when you zoom out, been trending up, kangaroo on the bottom. It has been trending. Could look for a drop back out of this trend line. And then this area could go up and bounce off there. Could go here. What the hell? Wrong color. Could go up here. Or we look for it to break like that and go back down to the other zone. Or it breaks that and goes up. NASDAQ 30 minute. $30-minute NASDAQ looks pretty good for the drop. Is there a divergence on it? No, there's no divergence on it. I'd be worried about that sell because of these candles here though, right here. Can easily go up. See, look, check this out. The scanner, I mean, we can just at a glance see which stocks just printed kangaroos. And that shit broke. Let's look at that NASDAQ hourly. Wasted no time to go back down. Alright, we got bullish divergence too. If you look at that, Force Index has huge bullish divergence. Where do you know that? The spread is really big today. And this spread looks bigger than usual how fast these candles were moving yesterday. US30's next zone is down there. Look at that fake out. Look at that fake out. How many people tried to put in cells down there and just got shitted on? Where is the next zone after that though? 13,716. 13,716. Right up here. Probably Apple or Boeing. Boeing. Probably Apple, Boeing, and Disney. For sure. Apple, Boeing, or Disney. Yeah, that's why we're not supposed to do anything when we see big moves like that. Supposed to sit back and wait for the setup. Holy shit, US30, where are you going? Alright. US30 wasting no time to get back down to that next zone, which is 34,567. No kangaroos in sight. Watch for we gotta be aware of that US30 retest open though. Where did we open at? Okay, there's the open. Here's NASDAQ's open. Yeah, NASDAQ bounced off a lot of things. Next zone for NASDAQ is 13,700. We may see a run up to 13,700. Two seconds. Too good for the open, but there's strong momentum to the downside. Strong momentum to the downside still. That tail is off the zone. Alright, I'm gonna buy though. I'm gonna buy, see if it's gonna bounce up. Fade the setup. That's what I'm doing. The thrill of trading, yo. The thrill of fucking trading. Momentum has slowed down. My TP's out to open. Have my 1 hour up right there. Stick to the rules. That's what we gotta do. We see our setup, we take it. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch break even unless we hit 1 hour. Not gonna make the same mistake as yesterday. So I need to hit this price up here. 1 hour is where I need to go. And we hit stop. Next setup. Bakery going on NASDAQ.
It's gonna make you feel
He said NASDAQ bounced off the 200 MA right there. You're right. All right, who lost that trade with me? I know some of you took that buy with me. I set a goal today. I'm gonna go for a 4R trade. I'm not gonna go for a home run. The goal is for 4Rs. That's exactly where my TP was for this setup. Alright, I guess we can look at the scanner. Alright. Oh, quite a few bearish candles on the stocks. Oh shit, yeah. Look at that one. Johnson & Johnson would have gave us a signal. Let's see. Alright, let's see. US30 candle, that was 633. Let's look at the 633 candle on US30. Which would be this candle right here. So. With that scanner, it might be a good idea to have it on the side. Like this setup. Have US30 up like this. Where are we at? This would be a good idea, you know, having the scanner on the side of all the stocks while looking at US30. That way you can just be like, boom. KY King, you said you did not take it because the previous candle were too powerful. Yeah, I did consider that, but I also did consider, you know, a quick retest to the open, which we've seen it do before a few times. And NASDAQ just keeps bouncing off the open price. It's hit 1, 2, 3. It's retested the open price 3 times already. Maybe it may go up now, guys. It may go up to the open price. All right, let's look at the scanner for forex pairs real quick. Okay, Euro USD, Kangaroo on the bottom 2 hours ago, and it's going right up. There's probably divergence on it. No divergence. Pretty good one on odd CAD. Too late though, that move's already going. 4 hour, yeah, 4 hour bearish Kangaroo Tails on odd NZD. Lots of London candles that went up. If any GBP CAD traders are in here, you got a sell opportunity. I can just see that on a zone extended past. What the fuck happened? USD Shuff 4 hour Kangaroo Tail. If anybody wants to hop on that sell. Silver has a bullish Kangaroo Tail. Too late to enter that. USD CAD, shitty Kangaroo Tail, I see. Yeah, that looks like a shitty daily Kangaroo Tail. And boom, that's how fast we look at the fucking Forex pairs on Kangaroo Tails with the scanner. Less than 2 minutes, we just checked every Forex pair on the Kangaroos. Renko, I made $337. My biggest trade ever last night off GBP AUD. I used the scanner. I saw a 1 hour Kangaroo Tail, and I took it. And I woke up to my TP. Nasdaq's just not giving any candles. Crudies, that scanner is not available yet. I gotta prepare it. I gotta pay a guy like $300 to put a license feature on it. So I gotta get the licensing on it, and then I gotta connect it to my site and figure out how all that works. Miles, 337. 337. Here, I'll show you the setup. Yeah, so yesterday I was using the scanner. Saw this candle right here. I saw it had bullish divergence, so I took it. I had about a 3-to-1 on it. Yeah, I had my stop about like right here. TP up there at the next zone, and it worked out perfectly. Woke up to the TP. Yeah, see? We just got unlucky right there. US30 is going to go retest the open. We just got unlucky on the... Only a super, super wide stop would have worked. And at that point, that would have been pretty stupid. I mean, the only way in the world you're getting this trade is if you have a super ridiculous wide stop. See, even at that point, you're only getting 1 Rs right now at that move. So to me, that's not even worth it. Yeah. And boom, there we go. Open price retest. We just got really unlucky there. But the analysis was right. Okay, the analysis was spot on. TP at open price would have been smashed. $467 right there. Close. Curtis, US30 30-minute. Yeah, Curtis, that's interesting. That's interesting right there. You know, honestly, I don't even pay attention if it's hidden divergence or regular divergence. If there's divergence, I'm just like, fuck it, I'm in. As long as there's a divergence somewhere, I'm in. With the Kangaroo Tail. But crudies, if we had a kangaroo on this moving average, that would be even more powerful, I'm assuming. Plus, there would have been bullish divergence. So on your 200 moving average touch, bullish divergence, hit support, just no signal for me. All right, you know what? I want to find out what stock moved down right here. What caused this little move here? I want to know. I think there's my answer. I think. No? Was it Goldman Sachs? Maybe. 6:36. What time did we enter that? 6:36. All right, we entered here at 6:36. 6:40 candle's the one that messed us up. No. The 6:39 candle. Alright, so Goldman Sachs did print a pretty big candle at 6:40. And US30, yeah, that looks like a Goldman Sachs. And I'm sure a few more. And Walmart. Walmart went down. Walmart bearish Kangaroo Tail. Hollingsworth. Since I'm doing $100 risk, I'm doing about 0.5%. 0.51% to be exact. I'm keeping my static risk $100. 100. I was doing 50. I was doing 50 for a while, but that was only about quarter, 2.3%. Yeah. 0.26% on my account. So, I think it's better to move up to 100. We do have our first Kangaroo Tail of the day for NASDAQ. It's not a very good one. And I am seeing a potential bullish flag being formed. I can see that right now. I think NASDAQ's going to continue up if this flag holds. See if it goes sideways to create more of a flag. I suggest everybody to buy this book, Mental Gamer Trading. I'm about a quarter of the way through. The book is 100 times better than the other book, Trading in the Zone. Trading in the Zone is like for beginners. This shit is if you want to level up and be a professional one day. Nice, William Don Carlos, you're reading it too? Very interesting. Let's look at Boeing on the 15-minute. Does US30 drop? This is very interesting. That's a pretty good kangaroo on Boeing. I wonder if there's divergence. If there's divergence, we need to look out for a US30 draw. Yep. There's huge bearish divergence on Boeing. That may give us a clue that we could be going down on US30. I want to see a kangaroo tail above this zone. If we get a bearish kangaroo tail on US30, this could be a big one. But we got 3 minutes for that Boeing close. Into blue, you could not sleep? Were you trading all night? Moose, did you get in any trades yet on US30? Now look, there is a slight bearish divergence now. This is going to be the song where we enter a trade in the next couple minutes. Look at that really nice US30 candle. They're in London, right at the bottom. Oh, wow. Wow. What is this shit? What is this shit? Look at these tails. Alright. Wow. That's about, yeah, 20 hours. 20 hours. Get ready for a sell, guys. We got a good tail. Why did Boeing close already? My candle shows it's closed already, 30 seconds early. You're in sells already? Yo, our viewers are picking up. How many do we got today altogether? We got 80, yo. 80 of you are tuned in today. I wonder if we got a few extra viewers today because I posted my winning trade on Instagram. I wonder. Yep. Looks like gold had a 30-minute Kangaroo Tail just now that closed. Let's see. Yeah, I know some of you are in gold right now. You might want to look at the 30-minute right now. You do got, I believe there is some divergence, yeah. You got a 30-minute Kangaroo on gold with divergence. Wait, no. Tripping, I drew that wrong. Interesting. NASDAQ just tapped the open price again. All right, we do on TradingView we do have bullish divergence with a Kangaroo Tail. Bullish divergence. There's no bullish divergence on. No, that's not the one. It's going down too much. It went down way too much. Though the risk reward did get better. See what this candle does in 10 seconds. No. I'm glad I stayed out. I'm glad I didn't pull the trigger there. Something about that trade didn't seem right. It did not seem right. That's how you prevent a losing trade. Being a little patient. I'm trying to figure out what made me hesitate right there though. But we do got another one. Oh my god. No, I think it's gonna keep going down. I'm not trusting NASDAQ right now. I think it's gonna keep going down. Down to this next zone. And then they just printed another Kangaroo Tail. I just don't trust NASDAQ right now to go up. It's okay if it goes up. I didn't like it. I didn't like that setup. Watch that one be the winner, though. Watch that one be the winner. Let's see if it goes back up here where I had those, where I would have had TP lines. Let's see. Did any of you enter the buy though? Oh my god, that might be the winner. Or the runner. How many lines are you? Take that moving average off. Risk reward 1. Risk rewards. So you see here 1R, 2R, 3R. Each line is 1R. Alright, at the very least, I would have set break even already. That's a given. That would have been break even. And I said I wanted to go to 4Rs, so we're at a 4R TP right there. I'll post a link for the risk rewards that I got set up. Let me post a link to that. Which video was it? It was this video. You can look at my Fibonacci setup. Well, my 4Rs would have been smashed. You know, my call to stay out on that first one was perfect, because I would have lost right away. But then a second, much smaller Kangaroo Tail prints. This price I was looking at. No, I think if I would have had more room, if I would have had more room to the left. But I mean, there was still bullish divergence. I think all it is just unlucky variance right now. We had our TP up here, That would have smashed, but unluckily we went down and then we went up. And then here on this one, I wasn't feeling the setup. Alright, let's see if the scanner picked up anything on the last closes. Nope, the only thing was still we'll check on gold. Gold doesn't look like it wants to drop. What's up, Jing Jing? Yes, we are live trading. I've only taken one trade today. We lost this one, and then it went up, of course, to TP. I think more often than not, this trade is going to be a loser. I mean, this small of a tail with these big of candles, I think majority of the time this setup is going to be a loser. Check this out. There was at the top there was some bearish divergence right there. We had a small tail right there. Alright, we're missing a few moves. NASDAQ has a bearish Kangaroo Tail now. But it moved too fast. Right here. Wow. So we just missed a bunch of moves. The top there, I didn't notice it until after the fact. Yep, Juan, you're right. You're right. US30 could go up another 500 pips if we go up to that next zone, which would be 34,722. US30. Well, we do have the option to sell US30 right now. There's some bearish divergence. You can see that. The previous candle before that is pretty bullish. But it's in the middle. It's in the middle of the hourly zone. Middle, but we could be going down. There's a second Kangaroo Tail. I'm gonna enter it. Oops, wait. Go back down there somewhere.
We're about to have a beautiful time. Positive vibes, let's go. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Yep. Even worse, I'm sick and tired of barely getting by. Yep. You wanna know the truth, keep this between us. Yeah, I got a job, but I'm only making peanuts. My bank account is so, my pocket's kinda thin. I ain't DJ Khaled every now and then I win, But tonight I'm about to be undefeated. Just got off of work and I could barely believe it. Call the weed man, cause he knows just what I'm needing. 5 o'clock.
See, look at NASDAQ finally hit that.
Didn't quite happen, no bump. Road rage people leaning heavy on they hunkers. I'm just trying to make it home. This day has been bunkers. I usually get drunk, but tonight I'm getting drunker. Called my friends and I explained the whole story, and this is what they told me. All to throw a party tonight. Hey. It's been a really long day for me. I should be living my life. Hey. Because time won't wait for me. All to throw a party tonight. Hey. Me and my friends will get wasted. And I'll be happy that I made it. Yeah, to the end of the day. That's right. So I guess I throw a party tonight. Hey. Party, let's all get wasted.
Oh, nothing printing on the scanner.
Party, let's all get wasted. My homie Jack Daniels, he like to hold me down. My homie Remy Martin, like to see me clown. My homie Mr. Seagrams, know how to get it in. Always bring the juice, he always bring the gin. Johnny Walker Black, Johnny Walker Red. They both make me do some things that
Microsoft is bringing up US30 again.
What I do, another Jaeger bomb. It's a party, people dancing like they lost it. Hold on, man, who brought this Mr. Boston's? They know they wrong, they should have left it at the doormat. Right beside the bottles of McCormick. The day's long, but the nights are too short. I gotta stay on point like a knife and 2 forks. Negativity's dead, I'm better in my head. And it all started cause I said that I ought to throw a party tonight. It's been a really long day for me.
Microsoft might go back up.
Right, so I guess I throw a party tonight. Hey. Party, let's all get wasted. Hey. Party, let's all get wasted.
Well, that's an interesting movement.
You can always party with me and all my friends. We all pitching. It ain't no telling when the party will stop. Try not to wake up with a hangover. And if you do, just lay in bed until the pain's over. People leaving.
No, I thought I missed a big trade. I'm
talking swimming pool parties,
but I didn't.
Disco parties, birthday parties, even back to school on the first date parties, random just in of the work day parties.
I'm trying to figure out why I hesitated on the entry though.
Toga dinner masquerade, all type parties, just to see if everything is all right parties. Throwing for the folks who say on light parties, Super Bowl parties.
I'm trying to figure out why I didn't enter. I mean, we had a bearish Kangaroo Tail, we had bearish divergence.
Parties,
I think what was in the back of my head is I did not This was in my head that we're in the middle of a zone. And I think previously I said looked like US30 would go back up here. So I think my decision not enter that was okay. I took into consideration the hourly zone. 34,700 crudies. That's where US30 TP would be. That's the next. That is the hourly zone. But we are up here a little bit. It does like this area too. Look. But yeah, 34,722. I see UNH printed a kangaroo. Big, looks like US30 is going to go up, but NASDAQ will go down. Oh, I was wrong. As soon as I said that, NASDAQ just went up. And too deep. He said he used to go to work and had a forex shop next door. Yep, and Too Deep. I do play some America's Card Room sometimes. Do you play online poker and Too Deep? NASDAQ would have been a buy right here on this candle, probably. That was a tail. That was a tail. That one would have hit my 4 Rs almost. I'm still only gonna aim for a 4-hour trade, though I don't need a home run. I have missed a couple. There's another kangaroo right there. This would be a FOMO buy though, so I'm not gonna enter right here. If I didn't enter down here, I have no business entering up here. Nice. Used to be a pretty big grinder. He played over 5 million hands. I don't know how many hands I played. I know I played a lot, but never like full grand. I do want to do an online poker challenge though on stream. Try to turn 1,000 into 10,000. And look what's happening if I would have FOMO bought right here. Price is looking like it's slowing down a little bit. Yeah, there is some slight bullish divergence right there on the bottom of that. Plus on a zone. And US30 is approaching the hourly zone. I think we'll get a little bit of retraction off here. So I'm gonna be watching for sells right up here. Careful with the FOMO buys. Like I said, it's turning around a little bit. Well, let's see if it tries to do any stop hunts or just shoot straight up. Stop hunt or shoot up? What is it gonna do? And you can see this area right here. No, I just realized something. I do not have Tesla on the scanner. Gotta add that. RuScan version 1.0. Tesla, no candles. Let's take a look at SMBM. SMBM. SBMM, huh? Solid uptrend. Damn, it was just $4 back in May last year. Yeah, looks like yeah, this is gonna come down and retest a little bit right here. It's a sign this ad keeps popping up on TradingView. It wants me to buy an ounce of the Kangaroo gold coin. I think US30 is going to hit that zone still, though. 34,720. NASDAQ having trouble making new highs of the day. It got close and instantly turned around. Blue, you tried to buy, or you tried to sell US30? I'm gonna look for sells on NASDAQ either around the high or the zone. I'd prefer it to be on the hourly zone. I do not need a big move. 4 hours. I'm gonna be happy with 4 hours. That's the fucking goal today. Let's check the scanner. Nope, nothing new printed. See, and look at this. In less than 10 seconds, I just checked 15 Forex pairs for Kangaroo Tails. Look, another 15 seconds. BBP CAD. Nope, that does not look like a good kangaroo. And then, yeah, the no good kangaroos. See, the old way of checking Kangaroo Tails, you need every pair open, you need every time frame open. But there's 15, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. 15 times 5. Oh, actually 30 times 5 to get every Here, like that. You'd need 150 charts open. The old way of looking for Kangaroo Tails. Now we only need 2. Boom, we're done. We checked. Now the scanner. I'm not going to sell it for cheap. I'll say that right now. It will be a premium price. I feel like it's worth the value. I mean, boom. It made me $336 last night. First Forex trade. No, I should say second Forex trade in a year. In too deep. I'm not professional level yet. I'm not regularly profitable yet. I've been streaming every day since January 2020. But I'm still working on my strategy. I feel like I'm close to regularly being able to dish out some nice profits. I've used the same strategy for the last 16 months on stream. No, actually 18 months on stream. Yeah. NASDAQ turning around. The most profitable right now, I'm in long-term Bitcoin holds. I got most of my Bitcoin under 10,000, some of it at 6,000. I'm on a 60K downtrend for my Bitcoin portfolio though. Maybe 50. No, about 50,000. But I'm not fucking selling. We're holding. We're holding for the next parabolic Bitcoin move, whether it's in a month, 6 months, a year, or 2 years. We're fucking holding. Bitcoin will go up. The question is Bitcoin in the next bear market? This is what Bitcoin will do though. We're going to either somehow hit 20,000 and go back up the next year or two, or this is going to happen through summer. Right here, and then once December, May starts going up. So Bitcoin, my prediction is we're going to go sideways through all summer. We're going to go sideways all through summer, and then by Christmas time, November, December, we might see the next pump. No, it's just all FUD. It's just all FUD. They say the same shit every Bitcoin move, every single time. Same FUD. Over and over. Over and over. There's no reason to be careful with crypto. I mean, it's the same move's gonna happen over and over and over. They can't stop it. They cannot stop Bitcoin. They can try to outlaw Bitcoin all they want, but they can't fucking stop it. They cannot stop it. What happens when they try to outlaw stuff? It just gets stronger, right? What happened when they banned alcohol 60, 70 years ago? Prices skyrocketed. What's gonna happen if countries try to ban Bitcoin? We're gonna fucking go up. Yeah, there's no fucking way they can stop it. Absolutely no way. Only way it gets stopped is taking out the grid. No, the metaphor is when things get outlawed, what happens? That is the metaphor. And too deep. I assume you own no crypto? If you don't own any crypto, you better get some. Trying to find that booze and Bitcoin mining. Why violent prohibition is always harmful. Illegal Bitcoin mining operations. Illegal alcohol operations. New high for NASDAQ made. How was Bitcoin a fantasy coin? I can send anybody right now money. You gotta look at how much power is wasted though. How much power is used in the whole world right now compared to Bitcoin. If you look at those numbers, it's not very much. I would like to know how Bitcoin is a fantasy coin when I can buy anything with it. I can send anybody money I want to. I can hold it and no one can take it. Unless they like beat the shit out of you and want your codes. Yeah, here it is. Here it is. According to Cambridge Center for Alternative Finance, Bitcoin currently consumes around 110 terawatt hours per year, 0.55% of global electricity production. See that? 0.55% of global electricity production. The saying that Bitcoin takes massive energy is just complete bullshit. And then you gotta look at how much more energy is wasted every year in the whole world compared to Bitcoin mining. That is a fact. It depends, Bayhard. It depends. Depends how comprehensive your strategy would be. I look at the whole picture. It's like COVID deaths. The world acted crazy for 1% of people dying. The world acts crazy for Bitcoin using 0.55% of energy. Yes, our country wastes the most energy. The US has an energy efficiency of 42%, which means 58% of all the energy we produce is wasted. You can't argue about that. No one can fucking argue about that. More energy is wasted compared to how much power Bitcoin uses. Hey, what's up, fake Iron Man? This candle is a Kangaroo Tail on TradingView. And it's so close to that hourly zone. So close. So close, too. I just don't think it's gonna go down yet. I think it is gonna hit that zone. We gotta wait for it to hit that zone. I could be wrong here, though. But to me, I want to wait for the actual hourly zone to be hit, and we have not hit there yet. It did hit close, though. Let's see other times it has hit that zone. What has it usually done? It's usually poked through. Poked through. This one touched and then just dropped. This one touched and dropped. Yeah, I'm voting it's going to keep going up a little more. Nothing on US30. Shit, there was. Shit. Fuck. There was. Yeah, we need to turn alerts on for the actual scanner. Looks like my scanner is calling more accurate kangaroo tails than the actual kangaroo tail indicator. Oh, you guys see this too? I have a program where, you know, before I just said, oh, kangaroo confirmed. Now with the scanner, it'll tell us bearish kangaroo tail, let's say bullish. So we're getting some details. But fuck yeah, that would. That might have been the quick 4 hours right there. Let's see. Let's see, because entry would have been right there. Let's see if it would have hit 4 hours. No, that was not the one. Would have hit break even. Would have hit break even and would have hit 3 hours. On TradingView here, US30 about 20 minutes ago. 20 minutes ago. I would have hit 4 hours though. Yeah, that one would have been the winner. Couple good moves I missed today. That one was right at the top. So that would have been the money one right there. Well, plus he didn't get the good entry up there. I was wrong about NASDAQ. I thought I was gonna hit that zone. I was wrong. Was that one on SMP? Let's see. Is that one? That looks like one. Buddies, you don't need a lot of money. You don't need a lot of money. You can put a couple $100 in. Get lucky with the moon. 10x. You just gotta make sure you're on the bottom of the bear run though to make the most. What just happened? Did my shit fucking enter the trade? When did my trade execute? Why didn't my trade execute? The fuck? My trade didn't fucking execute. Fuck! Motherfucker! Right here. Execute trade. I fucking pushed OK. God damn it. My fucking luck, yo. That was the fucking 4R right there. Unbelievable. I pushed OK and the fucking trade didn't execute even though I pushed OK. Pushed OK. My trade did not execute. I was in right there. Stop loss was right here. I should have been in that trade. There was an error with the script. You just have to wait for the setup, Modi. You have to wait for the setup. That's the only basic advice you can overcome impatience. There's always going to be another setup. Always going to be another setup. I may be pissed off, but I'm not going to let the next entry affect that. Even though when I hit quite 4 hours, you could have bet your ass that I'm going to close that trade on a big spike like that fast. At least 300 plus right there. I mean, to recap the morning, basically. We were in the buy here. We had TP up there. Price happened to go down. But we lost that one. And then NASDAQ. This one, unfortunately, did not execute the trade. I gotta double check the settings I had on the script. And make sure I don't have something that I didn't accidentally click. And I did miss a couple, missed this one here. Where's that at? this one here. I'll be right back. I will be right back.
I'm dying for more. I'm dying for more. For something that I never felt, that I never felt before. I'm dying for more. I'm dying for more. For something that I never felt, that I never felt before. For something that I never felt, that I never felt before.
Already saw some news that just came out. Some tax delays. Looking at this GBP USD candle. It doesn't look like it's gonna go down. US30 gonna make some new highs for the day. Gonna try to go to that zone, 37.22. Oh, there was a kangaroo right here. Kangaroo on NASDAQ, but it's looking like an ugly one. There was one on S&O. S&P looks ugly too. Is that one really gonna drop? The one I don't think is gonna drop? I'm gonna laugh at that. I'm gonna laugh if this one actually drops. Okay, wow. Wow, that little Joey kangaroo went down. This candle's like 3 times as bigger than that one. US30 blasting. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, maybe I do a swing forex trade today. This could be a possible sell on GBP CAD. We'll hold that for a couple days. Could be an easy $300 or an easy $100 loss. Now the spread is kind of high. The spread is high in GBP CAD for the setup. With the smaller spread, I can get in with a pretty good risk reward. Like, let's see. Yeah, I can go for like 6 hours or 7 hours with a tighter spread. Or, I mean, if I do this, if I do a stop like that, that's still going for 4 hours. Actually, only 3 hours. Okay, we do have a 5-minute Kangaroo on US30. So this little move here is a 5-minute Kangaroo. Let's change the time frame there. And there is bearish divergence. From what point though? Which point is that? This candle. It would be like that. We do got bearish divergence. Bearish Kangaroo Tail. But we are close to the zone. And will US30 drop down here? This is where I'm thinking. Maybe we try to drop here? Alright, at least with the 5-minute, we got a little bit of time to think about this. I think this may be a sell. Maybe a sell. And that would be my 4-hour setup right there. And if we look at that 5-minute, I mean, we are on a zone. We are on a zone. So we got 3 confirmations. I gotta take it. I gotta take this one. Okay, there we go. That trade activated. So we are in on this. We have 3 confirmations. Bearish divergence. Bearish Kangaroo Tail. It's on resistance. TP will be down there on that zone. Not quite 4 hours. It's like 3.69 hours. But we can't get greedy on that. I'll set break even at 1 hour. We're about 0.5 hours right now. Well, let's go, Miles. I like the 5-minute one. The 5-minute one gave me about 30, 40 seconds of extra time to think. Like, and this NASDAQ kangaroo, that makes no sense at all. We'll call this a Joey kangaroo. Oh shit, that GBP CAD, it's going down already. We've almost had 1 hour on that already. Maybe some crazy shit will happen in US30 and we just get the biggest bearish candle we see all morning. I want to see this candle close as a wick though. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Ah, damn it, NASDAQ. NASDAQ did it again. NASDAQ did it again when we weren't looking. But those are such different candles. Not good. We do got a bearish kangaroo on NASDAQ now. Remember the other trade, Miles? If you set break even too soon, you don't get much room. Because the thing is, I would already hit break even right now. It would already hit break even right now. And if it drops to 1 hour, I'd feel pretty sick. Because I want it to go at least 1 hour before I set break even. But I'm not liking how price is just chilling right here. Easy, just go up. I'm still at $99 risk. $99 stop loss. I don't like how this trade is starting to go up now right here. You got two yeah, but honestly, if it goes up here, I might close early. I'm not liking how price is just like stagnant right now. I mean, fucking 5 candles sideways since I entered? We need one of the stocks to wake up and just drop. There we go. Now I can lower stops a little. Man, we just hit 1 hour. We will set the break even. I did say I would set break even once I went to 1 hour, right?
Get back, don't stop, turn around, it's not safe for you here. We'll have another beer when we're back at the bunker and listening to Roll the Bones.
And I will set TP down at 4 hours.
Buckle your belt, think of how we felt before. With our feet on the floor, we can dance like screaming Jayhawkins in a rattlesnake moan.
Come on, US30. My goal was 4 hours, and you're gonna give us 4 hours. We saw 1 hour for like 2 seconds. I don't know if I got enough energy to re-enter on this if it goes up to break even. All right. Now I already know what's gonna happen. I know what's gonna happen. It's gonna spike directly down right now. It's gonna spike all the way down now. I already know it's gonna drop. It always does that. Two trades today. 1 loss, 1 break even. Yeah, if I re-enter, I even got a worse entry now, though. Hold on, NASDAQ could be a possible sell right now. My interest sell on NASDAQ though. Now there's some bullish tails though entering or printing. I mean, if I look at TradingView, that's really not the best. That's really not the best candle we've seen, you know? I mean, it's not even much higher than that, so it would make me suspect it would go up a little more. NASDAQ is looking better than US30 right now. Like, there's way more sideways action on US30 right now than NASDAQ. NASDAQ is more zoned up. You know what? I don't think I should stop trading today until I hit 4 hours. I need 4 hours. I can't stop trading today until I hit my 4-hour trade. We're only down 100 for the morning. We're still up 230 in profit since that Forex trade hit our profit last night. Interesting. Odd USD. Rule 1, don't sell in the middle of a Forex zone. Odd USD is going to keep going up. NZD USD. On a zone. The tail is not extending past the zone though. That is a problem. So I think this will be a failed Kangaroo Tail. Not gonna do that one. That one looks ugly. Not gonna do that one. Back gold. Oops. Gold would give me a 4-hour setup. Let's look at the 4-hour though on gold. So the 4-hour says we're gonna go up. And look at that, the 30-minute almost got us to look at a sell, but the 4-hour is saying no, no, no. So gold is gonna keep going up, in my opinion. How about silver? No, silver, bye-bye, silver. Bullish divergence right now on US30. 10 seconds for the close. Check trading view. Yeah, that candle busted fast.
I'm going looking for, everybody knows what I'm looking for. I'm looking out my window, watching all the strangers passing by, with the writing on the wall. Graffiti said you were beautiful, and now I got your number written on my cigarette papers. Cigarette papers, read it in the papers, between the lines. Some people think I'm a fool, but the man in the mirror said not at all. Not a thing can make a change. Exactly what you're feeling can't explain. What you give is what you get. That's something you should never forget. And now I got your number written on my cigarette papers. Cigarette papers. Read it in
Yeah, and I'm just using the royalty-free music so I can play music on YouTube also.
Oh, won't you be my friend? Oh, won't you be my friend? Oh, won't you be my friend? Be my friend. I'm going looking for, I'm looking for nothing at all. I don't know what you're doing, but I like the way
Yo, if anybody wants, I mean, if you want to look at the root calc, just a link, check it out. Official Sean. Something about cigarette papers there. I need to spend some time and download some more royalty-free music. I paid for this shit called audio blocks. I bought this thing as is it going? Yeah, there's thousands of different songs to you can use on streams. NHL 2020 music. The song says you can't stop me. What does this one say? This one says, cheer me up. This is the jam here though. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, I think I already have that one down though. I think I gotta put classical music on anytime we're running in some big profits. I gotta download some dubstep, that's what I need. What to expect from US30 now? Almost gotta keep trickling up. Markets have chilled out. That was lunchtime over there. We need the excitement. We need the anxiety. Y'all check out Lo-Fi. I gotta go make some breakfast though right now. I'm very, very hungry. Been on stream for 2 hours and 37 minutes. Yeah, I might come back and turn the stream on once I'm done eating. But still, I gotta hit the goal today, 4 hours. There's still 4 hours left to get it done on US30 or NASDAQ. Yeah, my stomach is rumbling right now. And I'm losing a little focus. Oh. I'll post on Telegram if I get back on stream. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off now. You may see me back. I'm gonna eat and keep the charts on. Or maybe once I'm in a trade, I'll just turn the stream back on. See how I'm feeling. I do gotta make a YouTube video soon. Yeah, when I get back on stream, we're going to be doing some Skrillex remixes. Go. Skrillex and the quest to get 4 Rs. We need a $400 trade today. On stream. That's the fucking goal. Alright guys, give me 30 minutes and I'll be back on stream. 30 minutes. Here we go, like this song pumps you up. Get ready.
Feel your energy, but still I love my enemies. I see why you befriending me. Hidden agenda with the jealousy. Lord, take the wheel on this one. Lord, take the wheel on this one. Allergic to the drama. Allergic to the drama.
I don't feel your energy. You ain't with my synergy. Flag on your plate. That's
well, that's the song right there, guys. I'll be back in 30 minutes.
Yeah. Watch what I'm gonna be. You say yeah. He the throne, I'm the centerpiece. Feel that? You feeling me? Dig that? You gripping me? Come on, see that? You went to sleep. Yeah, real facts, enemies. Got to your back, boomerang that. Coming back, spirit check rap.